good. Working from London, having breakfast at the hostel. Didn't sleep really well, but first full day.
It's a little chilly.
Alright, morning of the 12th of September. Getting her a SIM card. Today is our tourist day. I'm doing a little surgery here. Okay, SIM card situation sorted. Somewhat. We're still waiting for it to fully activate, but at least it took it. Now we're just waiting for the internet to kick in. British Museum. So sniffly. What? You got
Text message. Please keep your phone while we connect you to 3. It'll take about 30 minutes, but in busy periods may take longer. We'll text you when it's done.
Yay! It's working.
It's working.
So now you have 5 gigs to use over the next 2 weeks. 5 gigs over 2 weeks should be plenty. Finished at the British Museum.
Oh look, Starbucks across the street.
Yeah.
Where we can fill up water and get more caffeine.
We're both kind of fading a little bit. Hungry, didn't get good sleep last night. We are headed over to Borough Market to get some lunch.
I'm actually really excited about that. I'm excited to eat!
What did you think of Borough Market?
Good. I wish I had a bigger appetite to
No, but that's good because then if we eat little bites all around the city, then we experience more, right? So right now we're headed to the Tower Bridge and Tower of London.
Is there any history teaching here today? That of course does not include American history because we gave you that. That's what you did with it. You didn't do very well, did you?
It's always cold.
It's cold.
Finished with the Tower of London. Now we're headed
To see the royals.
to see the royals. Buckingham Palace, Westminster Abbey. It's all the way on the other side of the city, and we have dinner at 7:30, so it's gonna be cutting it a little bit close, but it'll be fine. Got a reservation at the Michelin star restaurant over here by the Tower of London and the Tower Bridge. So far this day of sightseeing has
Been a day of sightseeing.
Our timing's a little off. They close at 3:30 today, so we can't actually go into Westminster Abbey. You gotta get the shot. You just gotta get the shot. We made it to Buckingham Palace.
I found out what this means.
it changes with every monarch. We have now fulfilled all our sightseeing that we wanted to do for the day. Apparently the Queen is there because the flag's up. We're probably gonna come back tomorrow for the changing of the guard. Right now we're heading to the tube station to go back over to the Tower of London area, Tower Bridge area, so we can go eat some awesome food.
Yeah.
And then go see the Tower Bridge at night, all lit up. Gin and tonic and our first little snack. Excited yet?
Yes.
Squid and Oreo. And some flowers. Now are you excited?
Yeah.
Still excited?
Just keep beating me.
Still excited?
How? How do I eat this?
So, little did we know, this candle is beef fat. And we're supposed to dunk our bread in there. So they make their own cider.
In the same process that champagne is made.
Onions 2 ways, tapioca pearls, olive oil, and gin. Yeah. Still excited?
Yes.
Isle of Wight bruschetta. Kind of. It's tiny.
It's so tiny.
So now we have a snail cocktail. It's made out of crushed up snail shells.
Smells like dirt. Doesn't taste like dirt.
And we have snail.
Snail ravioli with chicken mousse.
This is celery rice risotto. Still excited? Excited that it's keto? No. We're getting mad at this.
Also because I'm getting more drunk as it goes.
This is a crayfish corn bisque scallops with a bunch of stuff. Still excited? Excitement level? That's like a 12, let's say a 15. This was a lemon palate cleanser. Both what? Dessert with a mead and liquor. Cheers. Cheers. Love you. We made it.
Marathon.
It is properly windy out here.
It looks like it's properly storming. And somebody still wants to go to the Tower Bridge.
How was that meal?
I could die happy. Like right meow.
Yeah, well,
Right.
better because it was
Yeah.
like almost $500.
Was it not worth the $500?
It was definitely worth the $500. The restaurant we were just at was literally a block from the Tower Bridge. So a $500 meal at 6:45 will get you out at close to 10.
10:30.
Is it 10?
It's 10:20. 10:24.
10:24, and then you'll be able to go out and see the Tower Bridge at night on a rainy day. I love you.
I love you.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Even though I hate you. You're about to walk into a pole.
Tower Bridge is behind me. I don't think we're going anywhere.
Closer to the Tower of London.
The Tower of London's across the Thames, across the Tower Bridge. That's where I was taking us.
I hate you. I take it back. I don't love you anymore.
Doesn't matter if you hate me. I love you.
Are you sure?
I'm absolutely sure.
Oh, I
Tower.
see it. Okay, it's
Yeah.
on the other side.
Let's go home.
Yeah.
Go back to the hostel, dry off.
Hopefully get some sleep.
Yeah, get some sleep. It's been a long few days.
And it's not even jet lag either.
Yeah, it's just complete lack of sleep. We both got shit sleep last night.
On the way home, or at least on the way to hospital.
We will see you tomorrow.
Unless anything interesting happens.
It's been a great day.
Yes, it has. Turret. Check.
See you tomorrow. That was exciting. So the toilet was kind of broken. It's one of those toilets which you have to pay for. That one was 50 pence, but it was broken. So I just walked in and peed. And she held the door open for me so I didn't get locked in. What a great girlfriend. Now we're back to the
Tower Hill Underground Station.
going back to the underground to get home. So now we're gonna sign on. Us against the world. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And National Rail Services from Charing Cross.